I'm Diego, and this is my animal science book. We need to fill it with pictures of animals and get it back to the Animal Rescue Center. Quick, before time runs out. Come on, amigos, let's go! Use the arrow keys to walk through the rainforest. Use the space bar to jump. Pick up fruit and coin. When Rescue Pack lights up, it's ready to transform, so we can fly. Let's go on an adventure. Extra time! The red-eyed tree frog. Bonus! We're flying! Woo! The Pygmy Marmoset. Rutas! Whee! Bonus points! Roost! The Jaguar! Bonus! The anaconda! Whee! The macaw! Get to the Animal Rescue Center. Bonus! Bonus points! Bonus! 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 Extra time! Bonus points! Bonus! We're flying! Great job! You're a beginner rescuer! Keep going to be a junior rescuer! We're flying! The butterfly! Bonus! Extra time! The kinkajou! We're flying! It's Rescue Pack! Whee! The Pygmy Marmoset! Las frutas! We're flying! The red-eyed tree frog! We're flying! Woo! The macaw! Get to the Animal Rescue Center. Oh, we're flying! It's Rescue Pack! Las frutas! Whee! Frutas! Excelente! You're a junior rescuer! Keep going to be a master rescuer! It's rescue pack. The red-eyed tree frog. Extra time. Bonus points. The jaguar. The kinkajou. Bonus points. The macaw. The sloth. Get to the animal rescue center. Whee! Fruit. Fruta. We're flying. Bonus. Misión cumplida. That was a great adventure. You're a master rescuer. You found so many animals on the way to the Animal Rescue Center. Hasta luego, amigos.